Haka jingialang batkilat pathai khubor haka tarik Naiwieng hajar puar u President ke Meghalaya TMC Students Union u Bansharailang Pyngrope ula kynthoh shaphang ke jingpynslem jong ka sorkar MDA ban pyllait ya ka scholarship shaki khynnah pule kiba ban yo ya ka batru ula pynpaw ya ka jingsngew jong ka seng TMC halor ka rukom hiar syndet ka pule puthi ya ka jylla. Haba kren shaphang ke Jingkular ke Bansharailang ke jong Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla u Conrad K Sangma halor ki scholarship na kabenta ki shipaw jarngut ki khynnah puli u Bansharailang Pyngrope u laong bawat haduk kini kisngi ke tay ke Jingkular kala Shu Sah Tang haki Kyntien bat shimlala ban urlong ya ka. Ulaong Shu bagi khynnah aga jaka bakin yo alat ban kren na kabenta ki examen ki ban salong shen hindray ki lahapan ban late wat belak nang ba onla ban krishan yaladi hagi jingpule. Shu President ka TMC Students Union haba kren shaphang yo ka kot ka jylla ulaong ba wat lada ka bun ka jingkular ki mar ki mata ban ka jingyo jong ka jylla kadanglong kabaduna.
Umbrella scholarship scheme under the state government, which has been promised by our Honorable Chief Minister, that under 1 week maximum was his exact word, maximum will take 1 week. So now it has crossed that time period, and a lot of students have appealed to us to use our platform. See, not all students have the platform to speak out, so they've requested us to use our platform and to speak as students of Meghalaya to not the president of NPP but to the chief minister of Meghalaya, to appeal to him to please have a serious conviction towards solving the problems of the students, because we can see that many students have come to us and they've expressed that they have this SSC exams coming up in the month of December, but instead of getting the time to prepare for the exams, they are now having to divert their attention towards finding means and ways to earn a livelihood for their family, because it's a very difficult time. As we all know, inflation is very high and the income levels of every family is just going down and down. So we appeal to the government to please put some serious conviction towards thinking about the students. Our Honorable Chief Minister said that 15% of the state's budget is spent on education, but in reality we fail to see this on the ground. We do not want to be so negative, to always bring out the flaws of the government, but we want to give hope to the students. But sometimes what we can see around us, the reality is that there's hopelessness. So as opposition and as also concerned students and affected students, we come and appeal to our Chief Minister to please look into this matter. It's very disheartening, as you can see by the Highland Post, this Chief Minister in 1 week, so it's crossed that time period. So you cannot go on and keep on lying to the students and to the citizens of the state. And today morning also we read in the newspaper that Meghalaya is ranked second lowest in the state, in the country when it comes to education. So it's very disheartening to see that every year we are lowest, second lowest, when we can see states like Ladakh, which in 2019 and 18-19 it was lowest in the country, but now it has gone up to number 4. So if they can make such vast improvements in such a short time period, why can't we? We don't have a dearth of talent in the state. We have a lot of educated youths, we have a lot of intelligent youths who are also have this fire in their belly to work hard and to achieve a lot in their life. So we appeal to our Chief Minister to to help these students towards fulfilling their aims and the aspirations of their aims and aspirations, as well as their families' aims and aspirations.